So we're installing a new carbon fiber trunk onto the Miata. I picked up the trunk from Carbon Miata. Came a little bit damaged from shipping. They reimbursed me a little bit of money if I thought I could use it, so we just did some patchwork on it, and we're calling that good. As for the install, things that I've found so far. The factory wiring for the third brake light has two of these little clips inside the trunk. You just spread these and pull straight out and they'll come off, and then you can get the whole light arrangement out. But first you have to remove these and unplug them from the underside of the trunk. But they actually have an arrow that shows you that you basically just push it that way and then you can pull it out like that. Unplug it, undo those, pull it all through. Where I reached a stopping point was here. So if we look at the factory trunk, in the factory trunk you have the threaded studs coming out, then you have a nut that locks onto that. You just have the threaded holes in it. This is the only hardware that I could find that came in a bag from them, and it actually bottomed out without actually tightening down. So I've run out, grabbed a few M6 bolts, I think they're about a 1/2 inch. So I got the trunk installed with a rough fitment. If you just, having just purchased it, installed the new trunk, here's what we got. And here it is. There is the overall fitment of the trunk. Let me see, it's a little low in the corners. And just a tiny bit high there. But overall, it's a pretty good fit. Need to move it over this way a little bit. But it looks pretty nice.